Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Senator Douye Diri has assured all residents of Bayelsa State of their safety and security. At a recent meeting with security chiefs in AKUGHA, the Bayelsa State governor promised to continue to give priority attention to security while urging citizens to support the fight against insecurity with prompt divulgence of information on suspected acts of crime and criminality across the state to relevant authorities.
On assumption of office in February 2020, Senator Douye Diri entered into a social contract with Bayelsans to provide adequate security and promote their welfare. Senator Diri has since kept to his promise with regular and prompt payment of workers' salaries as well as pension and gratuities to retirees in Bayelsa State. In the last 35 months, the Douye Diri-led prosperity government has been preoccupied with the completion of long-abandoned projects and is currently working on modalities to attract foreign direct investment to Bayelsa State. With pockets of criminal activities creeping up in parts of the state in recent weeks, the number one citizen of Bayelsa State has raised concern over the successful implementation of his people-centered policies. Speaking during the 17th State Security Council meeting at Government House AKUGHA, Senator Douye Diri maintained that under his watch, criminals would not have a field day in Bayelsa State.
This administration from the beginning has declared a zero tolerance on that, and working with the security agencies and working with all of our very useful youths, we will overcome this trend. I'd like to advise our youths to move away from crime and criminality. At the end of the day, your life is gone. Because certainly, no matter how long, the law will catch up with you.
Only recently, Mr. Mike Ogiesa, a former commissioner for special duties in Bayelsa State, was abducted in Ogbia local government area. Governor Diri, who vowed to descend heavily on criminals, however enjoined Bayelsans to support the ongoing campaign against all forms of crime and criminality.
I will implore and call on all our youths to be vigilant in their own streets, in their communities. If they hear something, they should say something. The Community Safety Corps is on ground now, even though not fully yet. Everybody is a security person. Whoever you suspect, please pass on the information to relevant security agencies. That is the only way we can keep our two eyes closed.
At the 17th State Security Council meeting in AKUGHA, the government of Bayelsa State donated 28 pickup trucks to security agencies to aid their fight against crime in the oil-rich states. This follows the signing of the Bayelsa State Community Safety Corps Bill into law in December 2021. As Douye Diri rightly observes, a formidable security architecture has become absolutely necessary for the implementation of his government's development plan for Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta,